So, welcome again. It's the second welcome, I guess. This is it. This is what you're looking at. This is part of the future of technical education in central Minnesota. Specifically today, we're going to kind of highlight manufacturing. But when I say the future of technical education, I don't just mean this really cool machine. The future of technical education is the people that are standing in this room today. The future of technical education is the partnership between secondary, post-secondary, and business and industry. That's the real future of technical education. That's the real where it's at. When you stand in here today, at least more than 50% of you are from business and industry. And I want to thank you, first of all, for being the sponsors of the machine. The machine, we'll talk about that in a little bit, but I used to teach in a high school, and I know how difficult and how challenging it is to operate a technical program, a career and technical program at one of the highest levels and to engage students. It's challenging, and the best of the best of the best high schools meet that challenge every day, not just simply by themselves and being the only person in the water. They do so by reaching out. They do so by partnering. We do so all the time at CLC. We partner with the chamber, we partner with business and industry, we partner with secondary education, and we partner with a lot of different people to make things happen. The reality of it is that today, when you see this in front of you, it's not just the machine that's the future of technical education in Minnesota, specifically in central Minnesota. It's the people that are in here. So I really want to thank the sponsors, because without the sponsors and without the industry here, this would not be standing here in front of you. It's the financial contribution and the support beyond financial contribution that really makes education happen. So it's not just the machine, it's the robot over there, and it's business and industry coming up to help the students, you know, kind of figure things out, to be a mentor, to look at them and say, you know what, we have to engage our youth. And we have to engage our youth in ways that are different because it's the 21st century. And we have to engage our youth using high technology things. And the cost of some of the high technology things sometimes has to get offset using partnerships. And that's really what it's here, why we're here today. So today is really a celebration about the people that are standing in front of me. It's not a celebration necessarily about the machine, although don't get me wrong, look at it. It's cool. Beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful. And the key is look, 36-inch wide, 6'8" tall, fits inside of a door, a little logistical, trying to get it inside that door, but it fits inside that door. Okay? We laugh because of it. But the reality of it is the things that happen inside of a machine are the things that happen in the industry and the things that happen in business. This is what makes our economy tick. Industry is the backbone of our economy. I see a whole bunch of people standing here, some of the youth that are standing along the side here, some that are in the computer lab, some that are over here, and I think to myself, which one of you, how many of you, are going to be the next future? One of you standing here, looking in the corner, or one of you over here, you're probably going to make something that's going to affect my life later on. Now, whether that's maybe the airbag on my car that I'm going to buy in 15 years, my point is that people don't really realize, and our youth don't necessarily 100% realize, that there is an enormous future right here in central Minnesota, and specifically in Brainerd and surrounding areas. People have to know that. Youth have to know that.
Yep, we use a software called computerized manufacturing, which would be like an HCM or a Masterclass. I don't know. I wish I could get that up. For 3D work, you have to use a CAM software. As students, manually, so you know how to read it. But once you get into a little more advanced, we're at 30,000 lines of code there. We won't have to write all that, so we use computers.
Connected with the country. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to spell. Send me your hours. When I go back there. I
gotta fix that. Yeah, you can open that door.
You guys can open the other.
Very specific.